Hello everyone, I'm Mohana from Computer Science Department, Krista Jayanti College. So today we will be discussing about CSS Box Model. What is CSS? It is nothing but cascading style sheet which is used in the HTML to style the web page. So in CSS we will be discussing about box model, how the box model is created. So first, to begin with box model, let's understand basic one. So if you consider an A4 sheet, when you're trying to write anything in the A4 sheet, first, what is the step which we will be doing? That is nothing but we will be drawing the border to the A4 sheet so that it will be getting a proper structure, a proper alignment. So when we are drawing the border, it will be having the space and the border will be giving you some structure and the shape so that the content inside that will be giving an perfect look, so that we will be doing all this margin bordering and all the edge that we will be creating to give the structure to that page. Similarly, in the web page also we will be giving the structure using the box model. So how the box model is created. So the components that can be depicted on the web page consist of more than one box, rectangular box. So where this box is used, any idea? In any of the websites, if you go to a commercial website, you can see each and every product is represented in the form of box. Not only the products or the whole website, some on the other, the content will be put inside a proper structure. So that is being done using the rectangular box, using the CSS box model itself. So the CSS box model has few attributes which are edge, border, padding, and the content material. So these are the 4 to 5 things which we will be used to structure the web page. So we can use set of personalized layouts of different components. According to CSS box model, the web browser supplies each element as square prism. So each element means what are the elements, that is each tags that is available in the HTML can be changed in as CSS box model can be changed in the form of square prism. So we will see the basic structure of the box model. So outer layer is the layer which we will be seeing as outer layer is the margin layer. If you can see the margin left, margin top, margin right, margin border bottom. That is 4 sides also will be having the margin lines. And inside that comes the border left, border top, border right, and border bottom. Inside that comes the padding, padding left, padding top, padding right, and padding bottom. And in between is called as the content area, where you will be putting your contents inside the box. So let's see what is border. Border is nothing but it is a region between the padding and the margin. So border is nothing but it is in between the margin and the padding, which is a kind of colored or line will be shown. And margin is nothing but it is just a segment consists of area between the boundary and the edge of the border. So edge of the border between the content, you will be having this margin. And padding is nothing but how much of a space is required in between the border and in between the content. That is, see if you can see here, in between the border and in between the content, if you want any space to be left for the alignment, you can use the padding. Padding is nothing but it will be giving you the space in between the border and the area. What is content? So content is nothing but where you will be adding the images, text, videos, all other contents, whichever you want, you can add it in the content space, that is content area. Now let's see a program or a HTML file wherein we will be using this box model. This is the simple HTML file which I have created using the HTML without CSS. So to this, we will be creating a CSS wherein we will be having a proper structure which I will be showing you. So title is CSS Box Model. So in this div, I have created CSS Box Model property as one heading and fifth BCD and Computer Science Department as another text. So this is the simple text which you can see here. The output is very, very simple. It is not at all attractive. It is not having big size, or the font color is not changed. It is very, very simple. So now let us make it a little bit attractive so that it will be giving a proper look. So the first div, that is div class is equal to main. For this div, we have created a dot main as selector. The name of the selector is dot main, which is the class. Name is main. That name we will be connecting to CSS, and we have created the attribute. Font size is 30 pixel, which means the size of this font will be increased to 30 pixel, and the weight font weight is bold, and the text align is center. It means this text which was in the left side will be aligned to center. Now we will save this and we will see how it is reflected. So you can see CSS box property is in the center, the size has increased and the text is also become bold. Now we will change few properties for this content also. Okay, so first we will change the property to the GFG, that is to this whole div we will change the property. What is the property I have added is, so to this GFG class, I have added margin left is to 50 pixels. So this whole div will be having the margin left as 50 pixel and margin top as 50 pixel. Okay, then the border of that GFG will be 10 pixel, which is of solid purple color, and the width is 300. The height is 200 and the text alignment inside that will be center, and there is a padding of 50 pixel in between the text. Okay, now I will save this. So generally this is how without any margin left and margin top the text is without any color. Now I will reload. See how the CSS has made an effect to this text. See, you can see that there is a proper border to this text, which is having, this left gap is 0. That is the margin left size, that is having margin left is 50 pixel. So you can see the margin left is 50 pixel. I'll change it to 10 pixel. You can see that there is a less spacing. Okay. So if you increase, the size will keep increasing, and if you want more size, it will keep coming to the center. And the top margin top is the space that we have given to the top of this margin. So the border is purple color and the content which is inside is not having any style. So we will give style to that also. Okay. The style is GFG1. Font size is 30 pixel. Font is bold. Color is white color. The text of the color will be white. The margin will be having 60 pixel top. Background color is purple. So the background color of this fifth BCAD, that is GFG1, will be having purple color background, and the white color, the text color will be white. It will be having bold, and the size of the text will be 30 pixel. Okay, now let's save this and let's run this. You can see that the background is purple color, the text color is white, and the space in between this margin top is 60 pixel I have given. If you give as 10 pixel, you can see the space. See the space as changed. And now you can have some same I'll give. So the space is increased. Okay. And then we will give some CSS property to this GFG2, that is Computer Science Department UG Christianity College. Okay, when we are giving the style, what style will be giving us? Nothing but the size we have increased, and the text will be made into bold. The background color we have made it as blue color, and the color of the text we have given is yellow color. Okay, we'll save this, and you can see there is no border for blue color. The text is black, it is not in yellow color. Now when I refresh, you can see that border color is blue, text color is yellow, and the size of the font is also increased to 20 pixels. If you want, I will change the border. This border is having little bit, the thickness is less, and it is purple color, right? So that belongs to the div GFG. Okay, so div GFG border size, I will change it as 50 pixel, and the color also I told I will change it as red color, right? A red color. I'll save, and you can see that the size of the border is increased and the color is red color. Okay, let the color be red color, but the size of the border, let me make it as 10 itself. Okay. Okay. So this is how you will be giving a proper, simple, proper and simple CSS to a simple code. If the code is more, you can give more attractive. If the box model is only having margin, padding, border, and the text content. Even more, if you explore CSS, it will be having a lots and lots of things and the vast things to be explored in this CSS property and inside the box property too. Okay, thank you.